Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to link AdSense to YouTube in 2026. So if you want to receive payments from YouTube monetization, you'll need to connect an AdSense account correctly. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your channel account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside the dashboard, click the Earn or Monetization tab from the left side menu. If your channel is eligible for monetization, you'll see an option to connect an AdSense account. Click Start to continue. Now sign in using the Google account you want to use for AdSense payments. If you already have an AdSense account, select it. If not, you can create a new one during this process. Next, verify your name, address, and payment details carefully. These details should match your legal information. After confirming everything, submit the request to link your AdSense account with your YouTube channel. YouTube and Google may take some time to review and connect the accounts completely. Once linked successfully, your monetization section will show that AdSense is connected and active. And remember, you can only have one personal AdSense account, so avoid creating multiple accounts with the same name. So that's how to link AdSense to YouTube in 2026. Once connected, your YouTube earnings can be processed and paid directly through AdSense. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.